The upcoming 2024 Toyota FJ Cruiser would be a part of 30 electric vehicles that Toyota would produce before 2030, which means that you can expect it to come with new techs and probably design. It seems that Toyota is having fun while designing and manufacturing this variant because the company seems to mock the SUV concept that looks like the electrified FJ Cruiser. About the upcoming 2024 model. This compact cruiser EV is designed as an all-terrain and rugged SUV with many aluminum side plate and plastic liners, making it resemble the 2000s FJ Cruisers. As an all-terrain vehicle, this vehicle is perfect to tackle rough terrain and extremely ideal for rocks crawling. The company hasn't provided any official details, but there are many positive things that make auto enthusiasts confident about its performance. With dual electric motor and standard all-wheel driving system, and the fact that it is able to generate 200 horsepower, the vehicle seems to be powerful and sturdy enough. Matching the configuration with the size, and you have yourself a powerful ride for all-terrain exploration and adventure. The 2024 Toyota FJ Cruiser is designed as a compact, electric SUV that is extremely powerful and solid with amazing off-road abilities. The off-road ability is said to be similar to 4Runner 2024. It comes with modern and unique look, thanks to the sturdy body lining and bumper, and also boxy design. New model. Toyota claimed that the new compact cruiser EV would be the new model. It's likely that the powerful electric performance would be shared with other Toyota products, especially when it comes to propulsion and suspension. But then again, Toyota hasn't said anything much about it. There would be some trims and their price ranges. The basic trim would be the FJ Cruiser LA, with predicted tag price of $35,000. The higher trim is the XLE with $40,000 tag, and the highest one would be the Limited, set at around $45,000. The exterior design. As it was mentioned before, the exterior appearance would be modern and somewhat retro. It would be set against Kia Pony 2024 and also Ford Bronco 2024. On the front, there would be visible LED circular headlight with TRD front bumper and also lower suspension. Whatever heavy stuff you are doing with this vehicle, such an arrangement will keep you stay comfortable and convenient. It seems that the new cruiser would be coming with 21-inch all-terrain tires, from alloy, roof rails, and also panoramic sunroof. There would be several colors offered, but Toyota hasn't mentioned anything official. The interior cabin. The 2024 model would have all-terrain and spacious design, packed with advanced techs and features. It would make the passengers comfortable. Safety features would also be included, but then again, there is no specific detail and information about it. We should know more about 2024 Toyota FJ Cruiser when new info is available. Alright guys, thank you for watching Future Cars Talk. For more latest car rumors, please visit futurecarstalk.com.